Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones SONY LinkBuds with your MacBook. You have to start by click on the Windows icon, then go to Settings. Now open the case, and after that press and hold connection button at the back for at least 3 seconds. Until you can see that LED light it starts flashing blue. Now we see the headphones on the list, so click connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!